Hello, welcome here. Today we are doing something different. Now, do you remember all the images I use for my thumbnails, right? I even create some really nice maps. Well, there is a secret to all this, and the secret is a tool named Smithbox. We start it and load the project. So this Smithbox tool uses a regulation bin file, and using that you can extract things. Look at this texture viewer HD icons, look at this. Look at this, look at the grease, it's so beautiful, so big. Look at the perfume. What else can we find? Look at the tier. However, texture viewer, material editor, gparm editor, editor, I can edit anything here. Oh, look at the executor. I can edit anything here? Well, it seems I can, and for that reason today, we're touching param editor, and we're going to become a mod maker. Now, every time I play Nightreign, I like to explore, looking for the skips, but I always wanted to have a mod that gave me infinite ults. I have free reign, but we'll remember what free reign does, right? And I've been touching the parameters. First you need to access names and import community names, or else this is complete madness. And now, every time you come inside, you can see the name of something. However, I noticed that, where is it? Param protector contains our people. Revenant, Recluse, Raider, Executor, everyone is here. But if I access the head, there are so many things here that I don't really understand, but I noticed the following. In the body, here, there are things that are equipped here. Like you put the ID here, and in the head, this is a free slot. So, what if I could equip the Great Hollow effect to the head? I could just drink my flask and get free ults. And that is the idea. Then, looking at this, I started looking for that, and the menu that has that is, let me look for it, Special Effects Param. We can even search here, and the hero effect, it is that one, you see? However, let's look for the Great Hollow. There is nothing related. And that is a problem, but if I look for Ultimate Art, we get something. However, what is useful for me? Well, look at this one. Infinite Ultimate Art Usage. This is just the mod I want to make, right? So I will copy the ID. And with that ID, we are going to put that in our head. Now, as a bonus, okay, I was not writing. As a bonus, let me write. Why can't I write? Now, I look for different air shifting events, and this is the favorite one. So, next to this one, we should find the DLC effects. And in my experience, oh look, the relics are also here. We couldn't even touch relics. But here, one of these must be the Great Hollow. And just so you know, this is the one. If you scroll down and read, because you need to read in order to understand all this, you will find here, Favor of the Great Hollow. So, I just equipped this to the head and got the effect. But what if I tell you that later I realize that I can just look for the sparring effects, and every single effect is here. So I am going to make the mod, and you are going to see how that is done. Then I will be releasing that to Nexus mods. Infinite Ultimate Art. This is what I want to use, and so I get the ID. Then I go to Param Protector, and I will be finding not Raider but my Undertaker. here, just not the default one. I will use, where is, okay, here, Dawn, Scholar, Undertaker, Dawn. Just the head. What if I equip the effect here? Oh, you see, it is in my head. So if I now save the file and return to the folder, this regulation file, I always keep the original one just in case. This one should be the mod, and we are going to test just that in game. Okay, let's create the mod. So I have the file. Now I need a new folder that I'll name Infinite Ults. Now if I put my regulation beam file inside, the mod is ready. I need to get my mod manager, that is already here, and I will just be dragging the folder inside. Will it work? Now we are going to run this mod manager because we don't want to just modify our game and earn a ban. Because you know, modifying this file or any other file is considered cheating, so always keep a different copy of your save file and always game in a different environment. Okay, we are launching the game, I press any button, and now Seamless Co-op is here, right? So the mod is a success. We don't know if it works yet. I will be using a copy of my save file because, well, I don't want to lose this. In order to do this, you need to duplicate it and configure the theme. Your mod manager will give you instructions for this. But Seamless Co-op uses a different file format, so you need to have two. And for that reason, my save file may be a bit behind schedule. So we already done we already done Undertaker now. But just in case, I am going to force it. Become a Raider, then back to Undertaker. And the idea, the mod we just made, will allow us to do just this. Infinite Ults, just as if we were in Sparring Grounds. So we have, of course, to leave the Sparring Grounds. This is already a good sign. It's full instead of empty. So let's fly away. No. Oh yes, you look at that. Again? We have this. We can just fly away wherever we want. Let's bully the Iron Virgin. Oh my goodness. We got an Infinite Ults Mod. And I will absolutely release it in Nexus Mod. We even deal damage. So well, we have become a mod maker. And we cannot defeat the game just however we want. This is too much. Need to get your graph. So, as you can see, this is already incredibly. Let me get outside because I'm going to get killed. This is already incredibly powerful. We have just trivialized the game. Everywhere we go, we can just win. However, why do I want this? Because what if I want to know if I can reach a certain place? I just try. I can find the skips like that in a quicker fashion. For example, you remember a certain video, right? So you remember that video, right? Well, for that video, I had free reign that lets you summon the city. However, try free reign. The map is not exactly a working map. And for that reason, I want to get rid of that. And you get glitches and bugs. So, I came here, jump, and use my ult, right? You remember the collab with the stall. But now I have a second one. I can of course abuse it, but I shouldn't. I have used one ult and I need to get up here in tune. Just like in the video, people. Oh, I forgot the technique. Let's not abuse the ult. When I said this was slippery, I was not joking. This is truly slippery. Okay. Now I have to get here. Just like this, I get the ability to discover new jumps even quicker. Aim there, use my ult, and we're inside the city, just from here, in 2 ults. Which means I can just get a friend and perform this without cheats. Which is fantastic, but I can also come here. So what if I could climb this place? It would be really nice. However, we shouldn't fly up there. We'll use the Spirit Sprint and we are going to do the same. Because we have a great power and we are going to be responsible as well. I'll climb here, the highest point available for me without Infinite Ults. So, I can come here. And from here I can just jump and use my ult to this place. Climbing here. 1 ult for now. I can then get outside. And then you climb. There it is. Now you can come here. We have spent 1 ult, but look at this. 1 and 2. If we have 3 Undertakers, we can climb this place. We can absolutely come here. Do we get anything for climbing here? Let's give it a try. If I am correct, we are over stealth right now. We can get behind him. Oh, look at that. Yes, I knew about this. I've been here before. I just didn't make a video about this, but I will now. Just a short one. If you drop down from here, while being extremely careful, you reach this place. And if you insist a little bit, there it is. You reach the final chest. Just like that. For this reason I haven't made a video about this, because I could never get inside. However, I have this mod and I will be researching this. And if I get inside, I will make a new video. This is just a bonus for you. It seems to be impossible, but you never know. You have to research to know things. And now with this, we just unlocked the power of free ults. So you people download my mod, use it and have fun with it. We can even use it for different characters, just not right now, you have to finish the mod before uploading it. But I hope this really helps you. You can even use it to discover new skips, such as, let's say, this one. Like this, yes, such as this one. That said, thank you for watching. I hope you really like the mod and that you can use it and even you discover new skips with that. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I may get inspired to make new mods. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.